In the previous video in this playlist, it was predicted who will become a churn customer. This video will predict how many loyal customers will become churn customers. We'll use a cross-tab analysis. We'll use the previously created loyal or churn column to count the customers that are predicted to be loyal and churn. The aim is to predict how many loyal customers will abandon the company. So we'll filter the crosstab to the loyal customers. What is shown is that the impact of the predicted churners is very high among the loyal customers. We'll select this segment and rename it as Customers Likely to Churn. We now know which customers can be considered loyal in the beginning but are predicted to be churners. To measure the value and business impact of those churners and if action needs to be taken, go to the next video in this playlist.